Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best electric air duster to quickly and safely clean dust, debris, and electronics without compressed air cans, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best electric air dusters available today. These dusters are selected based on power, battery life, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster 150000 RPM Super Power Cordless Air Duster, Rechargeable Brushless Motor Durable Blower, 3-gear adjustable dust blower for computer, keyboard, outdoor, house and car. The Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster is built for users who need maximum blowing power without relying on disposable compressed air cans. It features a high-performance brushless motor capable of spinning up to 150,000 revolutions per minute, delivering extremely strong and concentrated airflow for deep cleaning. This level of power makes it especially effective for desktop computers, gaming PCs, laptops, and servers, where dust often gets trapped deep inside fans, heatsinks, and tight vents. Unlike traditional canned air, the MF100 provides continuous airflow, allowing you to clean thoroughly without losing pressure. The air duster includes 3 adjustable speed gears, letting you control airflow depending on the task. Lower settings are ideal for delicate electronics like keyboards and cameras, while higher speeds easily remove stubborn dust from car interiors, air vents, and workshop tools. Its cordless rechargeable design adds convenience and portability. You can use it anywhere without being tied to a power outlet, making it perfect for cleaning cars, outdoor equipment, and hard-to-reach areas around the house. The battery is designed for extended use and supports fast recharging for minimal downtime. The brushless motor improves durability, reduces noise, and extends the lifespan of the device compared to standard brushed motors. This makes the MF100 a long-term replacement for compressed air cans, saving money and reducing waste. Number 2. Wolfbox MF50 Compressed Air Duster 110000 RPM Super Power Electric Air Duster, 3-gear adjustable mini blower with fast charging, dust blower for computer, keyboard, house, outdoor and car. The Wolfbox MF50 Electric Air Duster is a more compact option designed for everyday cleaning tasks while still delivering impressive power. With a motor speed of up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, it produces strong airflow that easily replaces traditional canned air for most household and electronic cleaning needs. This model works especially well for keyboards, laptops, computer cases, TV vents, and gaming consoles, where regular dust buildup can affect performance. The airflow is consistent and controlled, making it safer and more reliable than disposable air cans that lose pressure quickly. The MF50 features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing users to switch between gentle airflow for sensitive electronics and stronger bursts for deeper cleaning. This flexibility makes it suitable for both tech devices and general household use. Its mini blower design makes it lightweight and easy to handle, even during longer cleaning sessions. The compact size also makes it convenient to store or carry in a bag, ideal for office use or travel. Fast charging support ensures the device is ready to use quickly, reducing downtime between cleaning sessions. Despite its smaller size, the MF50 delivers efficient airflow while maintaining energy efficiency. Overall, the Wolfbox MF50 is a great choice for users looking for a portable, affordable, and reusable air duster that handles daily cleaning tasks effectively without the hassle of compressed air cans. Number 3. Compressed Air Duster Fulgen 3-gear to 51,000 revolutions per minute Electric Air Duster Portable Air Blower with LED light, 6,000 mAh Rechargeable Cordless Air Duster for computer keyboard fast charge, black. The Fulgen Electric Air Duster is designed for users who want controlled, efficient cleaning in a compact and portable form. It delivers airflow speeds of up to 51,000 revolutions per minute, which is ideal for everyday dust removal from electronics without being overly aggressive on sensitive components. This air duster performs especially well when cleaning computer keyboards, laptop vents, desktop fans, routers, and gaming consoles. The airflow is steady and focused, allowing dust to be blown out of tight spaces without scattering debris everywhere. One standout feature is the built-in LED light, which makes it much easier to see dust buildup inside dark areas such as PC cases, keyboard gaps, and car air vents. This small addition significantly improves cleaning accuracy, especially in low-light environments. The duster includes 3 adjustable speed gears, giving you flexibility depending on the task. Lower speeds are perfect for delicate electronics, while higher settings handle heavier dust buildup on desk surfaces, shelves, and car interiors. Powered by a 6000 mAh rechargeable battery, the Fulgen Air Duster supports extended cleaning sessions on a single charge. The cordless design allows you to move freely around your workspace, home, or vehicle without cables getting in the way. Fast charging ensures minimal downtime between uses. Its lightweight construction makes it comfortable to hold, even during longer cleaning sessions. Overall, the Fulgen electric air duster is a solid choice for users who want precision cleaning, good battery life, and added visibility through its LED light feature. Number 4. Wolfbox MF200 Compressed Air Duster with removable battery and 4 nozzles, cordless 3-speed adjustable mini blower for computer keyboard, car cleaning, home, and outdoor use. The Wolfbox MF200 electric air duster is built for versatility and long-term use, making it an excellent option for both home and outdoor cleaning tasks. It features a cordless design with a removable battery, allowing users to swap batteries instead of waiting for recharging. This model comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles, making it adaptable for different cleaning scenarios. Narrow nozzles are perfect for keyboards, PC components, and camera gear, while wider attachments work well for car interiors, furniture, and outdoor equipment. The MF200 offers 3 adjustable speed levels, letting you control airflow strength based on the surface being cleaned. Gentle airflow protects sensitive electronics, while higher speeds easily remove stubborn dust from vents, grills, and car dashboards. Thanks to its compact mini blower design, the MF200 is easy to store and carry. It works well for users who need a reliable air duster for both indoor electronics and outdoor cleaning, such as patio furniture or workshop tools. The removable battery design also improves long-term durability, since the battery can be replaced separately when it eventually degrades. This makes the MF200 a more sustainable alternative to disposable air cans. With flexible nozzle options, cordless convenience, and a replaceable battery system, the Wolfbox MF200 is a strong choice for users who want multi-purpose cleaning power with added longevity. Number 5. Compressed Air Duster, 130,000 revolutions per minute ultra-powerful cordless electric air duster with 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, 4-gear adjustable air blower for keyboard, computer, car, home cleaning. This 130,000 revolutions per minute ultra-powerful electric air duster is designed for users who need serious airflow strength for deep and heavy-duty cleaning. The high-speed motor produces extremely strong air pressure, making it capable of removing stubborn dust from hard-to-reach areas. It excels at cleaning desktop PCs, gaming systems, air conditioners, car interiors, and workshop equipment. The airflow penetrates deep into vents and cooling systems where dust buildup can impact performance. The air duster features 4 adjustable speed levels, allowing precise control over airflow intensity. Lower speeds are suitable for keyboards and electronics, while higher levels handle intense cleaning tasks like car mats, engine bays, and outdoor furniture. Powered by an 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this model supports long cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. The cordless design adds flexibility, making it easy to clean large areas without interruption. Despite its powerful output, the unit is designed to be reusable and eco-friendly, eliminating the need for disposable compressed air cans. This makes it a cost-effective solution over time for frequent users. With extreme airflow power, large battery capacity, and multiple speed settings, this electric air duster is ideal for users who want maximum cleaning performance across electronics, home, and automotive applications. That's our list of the top 5 best electric air dusters here on USA Smart Shop. Each option offers unique features depending on your cleaning needs and budget. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.